Your channel may be shadow banned without you knowing simply because your activities has gone against YouTube community guideline. And with that, YouTube will stop recommending your videos. Now, the reason is YouTube algorithm sees your activities on your channel, which are your views and subscribers, as a spam because they are not gotten from a legitimate source. And by that, YouTube algorithm will begin to reduce or remove your views and subscribers. Now, most of us must have heard about it, and I'm sure most of us is currently experiencing this. Now, here is the solution to that problem. So kindly watch this video from the very beginning to the end because one, I'll be telling you the meaning of shadow band. Two, the causes of shadow band. Three, the types of shadow band. And four, the solution to shadow band. Greetings everyone, I am Alex Gabriel and welcome to my channel. To my new viewers, I say thank you so much for stopping by. So do your very best by subscribing to my channel and turn on your notification to always get notified anytime I drop a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Now, let's go to the meaning of shadow band. It is an hidden restriction that is imposed by YouTube team. Yes, it makes users' content to be less valuable and invisible for viewers simply because the YouTube community guideline has been violated. Now, let me expatiate further. The word user simply means you, the content creator. And the word less valuable and invisible for viewers to see simply means YouTube algorithm don't longer find your content valuable. Are you getting me? Now, and to make YouTube algorithm to stop recommending your videos for viewers to see. And by that way, it will prevent you from getting the views and subscribers you've always wanted. But the worst part of this is even if you manage to get views and subscribers, I'm sorry, YouTube algorithm will remove that views and subscribers. Now we're going to the causes and the solution to shadow ban. So if you know you've skipped this video in the past, please don't skip this particular part because it is very important. Now, number one cause is copyrights. Please do your very best to avoid copyrights. For you as a content creator, that you reuse people's content or you upload content that has been used, please avoid it. Number two, sub for sub. Now, most of you might, have experienced sub for sub, whereby at the end of the day, YouTube remove your sub. Yes. Now, the reason is you are not doing the sub for sub the right way. Now, let me tell you the best way to do it. If you are doing sub for sub with someone, please allow the person to do his or her own sub first and give a space of 15 to 20 minutes before you do your own sub. But that way, your sub for that person and that person's sub for you will count. And the views will also count. But that way, YouTube algorithm will not, see that sub for sub as a spam. Now, the number three cause we're talking about, I'm going to talk about here is, using people's content. Please, if you know you're the kind of content creator that you reuse people's content, you need to stop it. Yes. Number four is using the wrong keywords for your content. For example, you're uploading a video. Are you getting me? And you're using the wrong keywords. YouTube will automatically shadow ban your channel secretly without informing you. Yes, so that's why you need to use the right keywords that relate to your video. By that way, YouTube algorithm will not shadow bound your channel. And the next one is avoid hateful comments. Yes, if you know you're the kind of person that if you use your channel to watch other people's video, please be mindful of the comments you put. Let me give you an example. I used my first channel. to watch somebody's, other content creators video. Now, there's a particular lady I watched. Now, she did something wrong to a guy, but she refused to apologize. At the end of the day, I got angry and just typed any random comments to her. Immediately, this lady detected my comments. She sent a signal to YouTube. And guess what? YouTube did not only shadow ban me, oh, YouTube strike my channel immediately with just ordinary hateful comments. So please, you need to avoid hateful comments because it will definitely cause harm to your channel. So now let's go to the types of shadow bound. Now we have two types of shadow bound. The first one is the short-term shadow bound. The second one is the long-term shadow bound. Now, let me expatiate further. Now, for the short-term shadow ban, it simply means YouTube algorithm will shadow ban your channel for a short period of time. It could be days, maximum 1 week or 2 weeks. Yes, that is for the short term. So the best way to avoid it is to stop whatever you are doing on that channel. Stop uploading, stop commenting, stop using that channel to watch other people's channel. Just leave it for maximum 1 or 2 weeks. By that way, YouTube algorithm will see your channel, will review your channel, yes, and see that okay, your channel is clean. Now, YouTube algorithm will automatically remove that shadow ban even without notifying you. Yes. That's why if you know that this particular thing gives you that shadow bound, or you discover that you don't get views and subscribers, please, or maybe you uploaded a content and at the end of the day you get copyrights, please delete that content and leave that video for a space of 2 weeks. By that way, your channel will be fixed. Now, the long-term shadow ban is the worst one, which simply means your shadow ban can take as long as 6 months, even 1 year. Why? It simply means that, for example, when you upload a copyright, YouTube will tell you copyright found, but it will not affect your channel. Yes. You upload the second one again, copyright found, but it will not affect your channel. My brother, my sister, your channel has been shadow banned. And the more you do it, your words extending your term of shadow banned. And number two, your sub for sub. When you are doing sub for sub, YouTube algorithm removes it. You continue, they remove, you continue, they remove, you continue, they remove. My brothers, my sisters, you will never get any views from any of your videos simply because it has been shadow banned. So the best you could do is to stop that sub for sub for a period. Let me say like 2 weeks. Just stop it. Once you stop it, YouTube algorithm will scan or review your channel. And at the end of the day, once it detects that your channel is right, YouTube algorithm will automatically remove that shadow ban without notifying you. All of a sudden, you discover that you started getting 1, 2, 3 views back to your channel. So please avoid these causes to avoid shadow ban. So thank you so much for watching up to this extent. I really appreciate you all. So if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to always get notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.